Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to see how we can create an image, forensic image of a USB device. For that, guys, launch Access Data FTK, click on File, click on Physical Device, which you want to select. Here, mine is Virtual Disk. I'll click on Finish and I'll click on Create a Directory of files in the image and I will click on Add. Here I have to click on raw. Next, here I have to add the case number, evidence number, unique description, everything. So I'll add in a second. Click on next. So I have to click on the image destination folder, browse on it. You can actually create a folder here. So I'll click on the folder within desktop. Okay, I can make new folder. Let me give this folder as evidence, or let me give this folder as image itself. Okay, so I can add the image file name, whatever the case name I can add. So I'm just adding a simple case name here. So I'll click on finish. So after everything, I have to click on start. It will take a second or depending on your internet speed. So this is how I have created the image, and this is the SHA1 hash key which is generated for this image. So I'll try to open this image, add evidence item, image file, click on next. So image file would have been there in the location. I'll click on browse. So once I click on browse, I'll find the item here in the desktop. See, in the new folder which I have created, this is the image which we have created. I'll click on open. Next, yeah, this is the exact image file which I've created. If I expand this, it is exactly matching the hard drive or a pen drive which we have loaded. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.